Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to block an email contact in Gmail. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel because we post content like this on our channel. So to get notified for future videos, be sure to subscribe with notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So first, open your Gmail. Let me open mine. Once you open your Gmail, click on setting icon, which is at the top right corner, and then click on see all setting, and then go to filters and blocked address. Now click on create a new filter. Enter the email over here whom you want to block. So let me enter it over here. After you enter the email over here, click on create filter. And over here, tick mark delete it and then create filter. So basically whenever this person sends me an email, it's gonna go straight to trash and I won't be able to see it. So yeah, that's how you block an email contact in Gmail. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on. Comment down below what type of video we should do next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.